Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then subscribe this channel and also give me a thumbs up for helping me fight with YouTube algorithm. Let's go. Now I'm gonna discuss about writing the best CV for your application. In this video, you will know what are do's and don'ts for writing it. In general, I would say that this idea determines by the position and the person who is applying for. Well, what you have to do before writing it is research. Do research on the position and get familiar with soft skills and hard skills that employers are looking for. This is just for impression. But how can you do it? Of course, write on Google that, for example, what's the candidate requirements for X position and take some notes. The structure and the format will give overall outlook for your CV. Make it simple and highlight the most important information about yourself. Let's start from the heading section. This is the first stage of your application, but don't forget to which country job market you are applying for, because due to discrimination and scamming issues, some countries don't accept CV which include photo, date of birth, ethnicity, marital status, etc. That's why you have to do research before applying. Okay, for heading section, what you have to write there: your name, surname, country where you are applying from, contact details, and that's all. But don't write there your whole address of state. For next and the most important section is personal statement or professional profile. This section covers the summary of your skills and knowledge. Don't write there soft skills, only focus on your aim, because recruiters initially look for hard skills, then soft skills, then go down your experience. But be careful on this section. If you are applying to job position, first list your work experience, then education and qualification. For study purpose, change their orders. For both of them, make it reverse chronological order. For work experience, write your position, period of time in that position, and the company name. These can be any relevant job positions, internship, or volunteering. And give short information about your task responsibilities, but don't make it more than 3 bullets. The next stage is your education and qualification section. It also should be done by reverse chronological order. For this section, write your degree, institution, place of that institution, and in the bullet section, write about your thesis topic, some major topics, and average score. Going down to trainings and extracurricular section, write there your completed or any ongoing trainings, research which show your interest or development outside studies. Then it's coming your skills section. You have to write there your language skills and levels, software which you think relevant to that position, but don't write there any other software if you know. For example, you are an engineer, but writing the graphical designer software name or any relevant for your occupation. If you finish these sections, then give your referees contacts who can recommend you to potential employers. The final section is your hobbies and interests, which is optional, like writing there or not, absolutely depends on you. But in conclusion, again, these whole steps depend on the position and the person who is applying for, because generally CV is such a professional document which refers you to potential employers, and they will take a look in a short time. Don't make it more colorful and fancy, because this is not your wedding invitation. However, if you are a graphic designer or in such position, you have to make it more creative, because your CV is also a kind of your product of portfolio. That's all for today. If you enjoyed with this video, hit that button below, give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe this channel, share with your friends. Take care and good luck for your application.